one, if not the number one mistake chiropractors make in the context of marketing is this. They don't deploy an effective email marketing strategy. Now, today is Tuesday, and this week, yes, and today, in a day and a half, I talked to 3 doctors. I asked the same question to all 3, and the question was this. I said, hey, what are you doing for email marketing? And all of them said, nothing. And then I follow up with how many emails you have in a database. I don't know. What are the email systems that you have used or using right now? And they go, I don't know. Right? It's crazy to me because here you have these doctors spending money on ads, right, every month, and then they have thousands of people here, of patients, previous patients, or maybe people who at one point they're curious about chiropractic. They raise their hand. Maybe they came to day 1, day 2, and they never sign up. Right? People that you can follow up with, they don't. There's like, okay, these people, we're not gonna do anything, which by the way is free. But then we're gonna go after new people. We spend a lot of money, and they say, well, we spent all this money on ads, and the quality of the people is not that good. But then all these people here, nothing, is crazy. For me, it's crazy. Right? It's crazy. If you want to do one thing, just one thing today to improve your practice, to improve your business, to help more people, to make more money, and even if eventually, let's say 10 years from now, 20 years from now, 30 years from now, you want to sell a practice, which one do you think is going to sell better? A practice, let's say with 1,000 patients, or 1,000 with 1,000 patients and 20,000 active emails? Which one's going to sell more? What do you think? Which one has more value? And that's something you can start today. You see, and by the way, I'm not blaming the doctors because I know you're super busy running your practice, taking care of patients, manage your team. But that's one of the mistakes that I made, and I'll make sure you don't make that mistake. Okay? So if you need help with marketing, if you need help with video, if you need help with your speaking and virtual presentations, just let me know. Below here, you have 2 links. One for our upcoming influencing from the front class. We have coming up in Charleston, November. It's going to be the only live class we're going to be doing. We're already at 60% capacity, so get your tickets. There's information below here. And also there's a link for my calendar here. If you want to chat with me, ask questions about what I recommend for email, marketing software. We have several choices. What kind of email marketing calendar you should adopt, what kind of content you should send. Just feel free to schedule a call with me. Don't speak to inform, speak to transform, and we talk soon. Bye-bye.